Hello students, today we are going to discuss very important question related to chapter gravitation, that why doesn't the moon fall into the earth? As we know, everything in the universe falls downward towards the earth due to the gravitational force of earth. As we have certain examples, like if we throw the ball in the upward direction, then what happens? That ball will come to the ground again, and fruits from the tree falls in the downward direction because of the gravitation force of earth, and raindrops in the rainy season always fall in the downward direction. But there is one thing that doesn't fall on the earth due to the force of gravitation of earth. तो क्या ग्रेविटेशन ऑफ फोर्स मून, दैट इज द मून, तो क्या ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अर्थ इज नॉट अट्रैक्टिंग द मून टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ? So today we will discuss this reason, that why doesn't the moon fall into the earth due to the gravitational force of earth. So actually what happened, moon continuously attracts towards the surface of earth. ऐसा नहीं है कि सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ मून को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट नहीं करती, सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ मून को भी अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करती है, बट दिस इज़ वेरी इनसिग्निफिकेंट that hardly it is visible to us. This is not visible to us. Now we illustrate this thing with the help of an example. For example, we are standing on a 100-meter high cliff. One person is standing in that cliff and he is falling the balls in the downward direction. So what will happen when he'll throw a stone from that cliff towards the ground? Then it will directly strike the ground. Then we applied some force, and we applied that force in such a way that this ball will go a certain distance horizontally. यहाँ पे हमने कुछ फोर्स लगाई और थोड़ा जोर से इस पत्थर को फेंका, तो ये इस तरह से जाएगा कि ये कुछ डिस्टेंस जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टली कवर करेगा, एंड देन विल गो टू द downward direction. And this path is basically parabolic path. Now if we apply some more force, then what will happen? Then if we throw the ball with some more force in horizontal direction, then इस स्टोन के पास एक अच्छी खासी वेलोसिटी होगी और ये स्टोन ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस हॉरिजॉन्टली कवर करेगा, then will go to the downward direction, that is to the ground. So that up to a long distance this stone will go in forward direction, in horizontal direction, and then after some time will fall in a parabolic path. So if we repeat this phenomena, then horizontal distance will be increasing. Now that ball is striking to the ground because of one reason. Then what is the reason that this ball is striking, that this stone is striking the ground? The main reason is that ground is leveled. We have a leveled ground, plain surface. This stone is finding the plain surface and leveled ground and will fall in this way on the ground. So the positions of the throwing stone are like this. So now if we talk about the moon, and why moon doesn't fall on the earth like this way, so now consider there is not a leveled ground but a round surface, because our earth is round. Now let us consider that our cliff is present on the surface of the earth. Here now surface is the round. Here on this cliff a person is standing and throwing the stone in the downward direction. So what will happen? We throw that ball with very fast velocity, then this ball will move in horizontal direction some distance and will continuously move around the earth. Ball will not get any leveled surface to be thrown. यहाँ पे जो बॉल और स्टोन जो भी हम ले रहे हैं उसको एक लेवल्ड सरफेस नहीं मिलेगी यहाँ पे वो अपना गिर सके। तो क्या होगा कि ये जो स्टोन और बॉल होगी ये कंटिन्यूसली एक राउंड में अराउंड द अर्थ मूव करेगी। सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो जो अर्थ है उसको अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रही, वो उसको अट्रैक्ट कंटिन्यूसली कर रही है, बट वो उसको एक सरफेस नहीं मिल रही जहाँ पे जाकर वो गिर सके। सो व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन ही विल थ्रो द stone like this, then it will complete the whole circle and will cover the circumference of the circle, and chances are that if velocity is very high, then what will happen, it will strike you again. That is called orbit. So the path which this stone is attaining, this is called orbit. So this stone is orbiting the earth, orbit, or this stone is orbiting the earth. In the same way, moon revolves around the earth. Moon means at any point if we have given very high velocity to the moon, that it continuously revolving around the earth and will cover its circumference, and moon cannot strike the surface of earth because moon is not getting any leveled surface where it can strike, because its velocity is much high that it keeps the moon to move in a circular path, and this will also attain orbit. And to continue the movement of moon, we require one more force which we say centripetal force. Centripetal force. So due to centripetal force, only any object can move in a circular path. Now this centripetal force is a vector quantity. Centripetal force is a vector quantity because this has some direction. This quantity has the direction, and direction is always towards the center of the earth. So if there will not be present any centripetal force, then moon will not be able to take revolution around the earth, because if from here we remove the centripetal force, then what will happen, moon will go tangentially, because there will be not any force which is attracting the moon towards the center of the earth. So here moon revolves around the earth due to the force of gravity. So forces which are responsible for the revolution of moon is, first is gravity, that is gravitational force of earth, and second is centripetal force that holds the moon in a circular orbit. So this was the answer of that very important question, that why doesn't moon fall on the earth. So thank you so much.